Hi, and welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, Haul Kind of Girl. I'm so excited. I have December 2019 Boxycharm. So I'm going to get right in. Boxycharm is $25 a month, and they have different things that you can order. I order the one that's 25. It goes all the way up to 50, I believe, but the one that I get is 25 bucks, and it's valued at over $200. So the theme of the month is whimsy. And I am so excited about this first item, you guys. So excited. This is a Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics. It has this awesome, cool little book, it looks like. So adorable. Robin Hood. So it says Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale The Robin Hood. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Okay, so this is absolutely amazing, you guys. It says, "Mirror, mirror, here I stand. Who is the fairest in the land?" And it comes with a cute little mirror, as you guys can see. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have the Maid Marian Q bar. It's kind of hard to see this. Nottingham Forest. And Merry Men and Robin Hood. Look at how beautiful. I absolutely love this. Now, I did want to show you guys how it looks like a book like that. So cool. So awesome. But on the one side, it looks like it's a little bit dirty. Or maybe it's just how it's supposed to look. I don't know. But I love these greens. The nude and the sparkly and the gold and the beige. Such a beautiful combination. So I'm going to go ahead and see what this is retailing for. Let's see. 35 bucks. Storytime Cosmetics. It says, inspired by the classic tale, this storybook mini palette was created exclusively just for Boxycharm. It says, it is as beautiful on the inside as it is on the outside. We've combined stunning metallics, velvety matte eyeshadows to help create your happily ever after look. Again, look at how beautiful. I'm so excited. So this next item is really cool. We have the Saturday Skin Waterfall. There's 50 milliliters, which is 1.69 ounces. So this is Dive into Hydration. Alaskan Glacier Water envelopes skin with a refreshing, moisture hydrating Iceland moss abstract to help soothe dry skin while revealing radiance. Cool. So I just wanted to show you guys what the box looked like. Kind of like this holographic right there. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Oh, it's so pretty even when you open it. So pretty. It's just like on the side. So this is really awesome. It's kind of like a fat little tube. It's so cute. Let me show you guys. Look at how cute. This little bottle is so cute. So I went ahead and opened it up. It does not have a scent, which is pretty cool. There's like no scent. Okay, let's read about it. This is $39, you guys. That is such an amazing deal. This is why I love Boxycharm, because just this item alone is 39 bucks. Okay, Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers a mineral-rich moisture while protecting the skin from free radicals, a fusion of ferments, amino acids, and a plant extract that help calm the skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. So this is so cool. And I'm so excited, you guys, about this month. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get into the next item here. We have the Brow Bar by True Brow. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up right now. I'm just going to show you guys what the back looks like. So this is just amazing. Look at this Brow Bar. So cool. Okay, let's see what this is going for. Okay, so this is valued at 30 bucks. And it just says, style your brows like a pro with this ultimate brow kit designed with 2 long-wearing brown shades. It has a brightening brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, angled brush with a flat brow brush. valued at 30 bucks. So awesome. I'm so excited about this. This month is just amazing. This is amazing, you guys. Okay, let's get into the next item. We have the Ciotti Marbled Light Illuminating Blush. How cool. Look how cool that packaging is. So cool. So this is what it looks like when I had opened it up. It's such a cute packaging. So adorable. So I went ahead and opened it up. There is a mirror on one side. Look at how cool this blush is. And the name of this Ciotti Marbled Light is Dusk. So there is 3.5 grams, which is 0.123 ounces. Okay, let's read about it, guys. The Ciotti Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. Add a radiant flush of color to your complexion with Marbled Light Illuminating Blush, formulated without metallic and lightweight buildable formula that has a blend of matte pigments and finely milded illuminating particles. 26 bucks for that. This is so amazing. Like, again, I'm going to keep saying $25 for this whole entire box is just so cool. This is an amazing box. Now, let's get into the last item here. So, this last item is just so cool. This is Saffrine by Nicoles, and this is Daikon and Dreams. I believe that's Daikon. I'm so sorry, I cannot pronounce all these words. This is a lip exfoliator with radish abstract. Okay, get out. This is so cool. Look at how cute even the packaging is. Or is it Saffrine by Nicoles? Cool. All right, let's read about this bad boy. A gentle lip scrub infused with radish and chamomile abstracts as well as chia seed oil. Sorry, it's hard to read like through the camera. And now my phone is shaking. I'm so sorry. Okay, it's easier this way. Abstracts with a chia seeds oil to keep lips smooth, cleansed, and conditioned. So this is really awesome. This is so cool, you guys. There's no chemicals. It's hyperallergenic. This is just awesome. I'm going to go ahead and read what it says on here. So, Sapphire by Nicoles. A gentle lip scrub infused with radish, chamomile abstracts, as well as chia seeds to help keep the lips smooth, cleansed, and conditioned. The unique blend of soft golden sugar is a healthy base of avocado, apricot, jojoba, I don't even know, I'm so sorry, oils, as the shea butter and cocoa butter further helps protect the lips from any further chapping and flaking. I'm so excited about this whole box, you guys. So excited. Now, my favorite item out of this box is probably got to be the beautiful Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. This is one thing that I really love. This is really cool. It says, once upon a time, there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. All right. Okay, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. If you like these kind of videos, I'm going to be putting this out every single month because I absolutely love Boxycharm. And, I mean, this is an amazing deal. 25 bucks for well over $200 for the whole box. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this. And I just want to say, guys, you cannot take care of anybody until you take care of yourself. Once you take care of yourself the proper way, you can take care of others the proper way. I love you guys, and thank you so much. Leave me a comment below what was your favorite item. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree.